Hi, and welcome back to Tacoma Report. Tidy-Up Tacoma is back with city crews out maintaining the main arterials of neighborhood business districts. Stacey Ellifrit has more on this initiative and what the community can expect in the year to come.
Recently, city crews have been performing cleanup measures as part of the Tidy-Up Tacoma initiative. This effort has returned after a successful run in 2021, but looks slightly different.
Really, the difference this year is that last year was just a one-time cleanup effort. We went into the districts, addressed the major issues that we found in the districts, whereas this year we're bringing Tidy Up back as an ongoing maintenance program.
A dedicated ground maintenance team of 2 employees is working in these designated areas. A goal for this crew is to rotate through each district approximately every quarter.
Similar to what we did last fall, going through picking up litter, taking care of graffiti on city-owned assets, which would be things such as streetlight poles and traffic signal boxes. And crews will also be cutting back vegetation as it regrows, and we'll be applying a preventative weed control to limit the regrowth of the vegetation so we don't have to go back quite as often.
Apart from business districts that were part of this effort last year, this crew will also be out in other areas around the city,
as well as 5 welcome signs and 3 gateway entry points. We've also added a couple of extra areas, Pacific Avenue from 72nd to 76th, and South 12th Street from Anderson to Jeanette.
Litter Free 253, a volunteer group with a goal for our community to live in a healthy, sustainable environment, helped the city to identify the 2 new areas that crews will also focus on this year.
They went through and surveyed areas around town, found a list of areas that they would recommend. I believe they came up with 5 areas, and based on the resources that we have this year, we picked 2 areas to add to the program. So we'll be going into both those areas, doing an initial cleanup effort, and then be adding them to the ongoing maintenance.
With the success of last year's effort and its return this year, staff is looking at continuing Tidy Up Tacoma into 2023 and beyond.
The program has worked really well. We're definitely seeing improvements in the business districts. After the initial cleanup, when the crews have gone back in this year, we definitely have not had as much debris and vegetation to cut back. So I think we're already seeing an improvement.
For Tacoma Report, I'm Stacey Ellifrit.
For more information on Tidy Up Tacoma, including an estimated schedule of cleanup locations and a list of neighborhood cleanup resources, visit the city's website.